Timing chain removal. And here we can see this Toyota Camry's 2.4 liter VVT-i engine's timing chain, and this is really interesting because there is two timing chains. First is normal, and then in here down there is second timing chain. And then when we look in here down, there is second timing chain, and when I take this timing plate, this is like this crankshaft position sensors measurement plate. There is in that hidden, there is this next timing chain what goes to this oil pump, and also there are those balance shafts, and this is like oil pump. And let's go to look this next, but firstly we take out this timing chain in this bigger one. This timing chains replace and removal starts so that firstly I take this crankshaft position sensors measurement plate away, and it opens so that I move that in this way. There is this plate, and I need to only take my hands, and now this is free, and this must be in that phase, because another side is that. Look that this logo, and in that position it must be in this way, and this is first part. Then next part is to remove these rails, and there is in that rail there is two 10mm bolts, and I open first that bolt in this upper area. And there is this my 10mm socket, and there is this my bolt, and this I open that bolt firstly. And there is this small specific bolt in here, in that area, and then we open next bolt. Next bolt's location is in here, in that area, and there we can see that bolt closure, and I open that one, and these are very easy bolts to open, and in this position I have to be a little bit carefully, and I have to keep my hands in here, because otherwise this rail can drop. Now it's in position. This way I have to carefully take that rail, because this can be damaged. And when I move that little bit, I can take that carefully away in this way. Good. And now this rail is free, because this is plastic, and that's I have to be carefully. Then I need 12mm socket, and it fits in this bolt in here. And in here, and I take that bolt away. And in here I have to also be carefully that I don't drop this rail, because this is plastic, in that way. And now I take it away carefully. And then after of that rail remove, I can take this carefully, this sprocket and then this chain away in here, and note that these parts, this is now movable, but it goes back, and now this chain is free in down area, and then when it is free in down area I can carefully lift that chain away in also in this up area. And now this chain is free, and these yellow markings, they are those timing chains setup markings what we need when we install that back in a little bit later. And now timing chain is removed.